and this is the famous rainbow popcorn. In a pan, I will add 2 tablespoons of butter, can be either butter or margarine, and let's go wait for this butter to melt for completely. After melting, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir until sugar dissolves. Right after add a cup of popcorn. My cup here is 240 ml. Let's leave it on low heat and keep stirring. Here our special touch with colored chocolate. I used 45 grams. Still on low heat, let's go stir until this popcorn starts to pop. And when the first popcorn pops, it's just cap and wait for them all to pop. It's very important during the process, shake the pan so it doesn't burn in the background. After popping all the corns, you can get this pan and let's remove it from fire and move everything into a container. Look guys, this popcorn is delicious, and to complement I added also condensed milk, but stay totally to taste. It's a super fast popcorn, easy and delicious to make at home. I'm sure you all will love, and I hope you like this recipe. For one more recipe here from the pool in the kitchen. That's strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.